Hey everyone, this is Saram Rai from Designy, and today we are going to look how to set up growth and health tracking spreadsheet. And this will be gonna be a very quick video, as it will take only a few minutes. So let's go forward. Firstly, uh, to start with, firstly you need to go to HE, and you need to purchase the growth and health tracking spreadsheet. uh, to do so, you can click the link in the descriptions. When you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to the HE, and where you'll find uh, this listing. So what you need to do is click on add to basket and complete the purchase. After you complete the purchase, you will get a PDF file soon in your downloads. So where you'll get is, you go to purchase, and over here you will get in this manner, you will get the PDF file. You just need to click here on download file, and that will complete your downloads, and that download will be in your computer. So now go to the file manager, go on downloads, and over there you will see this PDF, that is baby and growth tracking spreadsheet. Open it, and over there you will see the PDF like this. So now click on start copy now, just wait for a few seconds. Now after you complete your after your spreadsheet is open completely, now first and the foremost thing is you need to check where from where your spreadsheet is open. And my spreadsheet is presently open from Microsoft Edge, and since you can see over here, I have not signed into the Google Sheet account, so it's showing sign in. So you can directly click on sign in and select your Google account, sign in and select your Google account, enter the Gmail ID, and you can go forward. But I'll show you the other step as well. So what you can, if you have a Google Chrome, you can directly go over from there. To do so, what you can do is just go to the URL bar on the above. Now click CTRL plus C. Now close the Microsoft Edge. Click on the cross button over here. Now again click the file manager, cross button for the file manager to close it too. Now search for your Google Chrome over here and select your Google Chrome. Now if you have multiple accounts, select the specific account you want. Now do over here, just press once and do CTRL plus V. Now hit enter. Now wait for it to load. Once it load completely, what you need to do is now click on files. You can see on the top left, click on files. Now click on make a copy. Now give your file a name. And click make a copy. It will take some times to get load, and after it gets loads, please wait for a few moments. Please wait for a few minutes till you receive a additional button over here, as you can see in the top, baby growth system. So please wait till you get this button over here. If you don't get it, just click again on refresh and do one more time a refresh. And if still you don't get, please check your internet connections. And after your refresh is complete, this button will be available. Now click on this button once. Now click on setup triggers. Now click on OK. Now please wait. Now click on advance. Now click on go to untitled project unsaved over here, small one, click over there. Please wait for a second. Now scroll a little bit down. Now click on select all, scroll a little bit down. Now click on continue. And after you do that, you'll see another pop-up. So click on yes. And now you can see your setup is complete. Now click on OK. Now you are ready to use your spreadsheet. And this was the setup video. So thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see about this spreadsheet, you can check our another video where we have completely discussed what this spreadsheet is and what it can do. So please check our video where we have discussed about this spreadsheet. Thank you so much. This is Sarvam Rai signing off. And please, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for supporting us.